Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon. I've got a Hoover making a noise behind me, but it's better that than having stacks of people and not being able to show you the vehicle, which I want to show you, which is this Adria Twin Supreme 600 SPB. This vehicle has been around in the past, but they're saying that this is a luxury, super luxury or something. 80,082. For that type of money, it had better be super luxury. 6 meter long campervan and twin edition. And so what have we got in here? Well, we do have a very nice large table here. Well, the kitchen block's always the same. It's just if you like the colours, you don't like the colours. And we've got a widthwise bed here. They have thought of a couple of features here. Storage all the way around. And we've got a ledge here, which might be handy if they'd actually bother to put an electrical point to charge up your motorhome and charge your mobile phone up at night. Right, also there's a buckle here, so you can actually put the bed up. Let's have a look in here. What's in there? Storage goes that far back. Unfortunately, Adria uses this color scheme, which black and white, which I think makes the vehicle look smaller. And when it's only 6x2 more or less, you don't really want the thing to look small, you want it to look bigger. You've got to step up to the bed. Here you've got a fridge, it's a Thetford fridge. And down here you've got also some more storage. Also nice and dark, you don't want to see what you're doing, do you? And right there we step up to the bed. Oh, some couple of feet in here. This comes with sensible sliding door. I shall put myself inside. You can keep an eye on what's going on outside whilst you're in the shower. There's me inside. I'll turn the camera around so you can see me. There's me. That's how much space I got above my head. There. Kitchen block is here. I think I showed this. No, I didn't. I forget. I've shown so many. I sort of forget when I'm doing. I'm not uploading that many per day, but when I'm at this event, because I want to do as much as I can, then I forget what I've done. Bit of storage up here as well. Right. Okay. Storage along there. Oh, hang on. I've just seen something. It's absolutely outstanding. Can you see it? Oh, look at that. Oh yes, that is nice. Oh, I've just I can take back everything nasty I've said about it now. We've got this wonderful, oh look how big it is, skylight. Polyplastic, which is now owned by Lippert Components in the Netherlands, made these things. You don't see them, many of them around though. I don't know why. Maybe it's the cost, maybe it's the cost of production, because obviously it does take a little bit of work to make a hole like that on top of your van, but well, I do like that, and you can make it dark. They've got a big mosquito screen here as well, like that. Wait, in my case, I'll have to show you this in my own van. These things, because in the summer this is open all the time, and so these things here get full of leaves and things. I'll show you what mine looks like. And since I've been here, as I've been out here in the halls all day, I've hardly used it. So it hasn't been open for 2 weeks. We're gonna have a look at all the rubbish that's sort of collected in there. Let's have a look at the back. Oh, before doing that, I'll just mention they've got some more storage here. You've got a kitchen extension there. Mosquito net in the door, that's sort of standard. Here we go for the back. Okay, so this is more or less standard. Comes with a sort of a kitchen, somebody's paper towel there. We've got a board at the back which will open. We've got lashing straps. We've got storage in here, and around here we've got one gas cylinder, large one, will go in there. I think it's got diesel heating though, I can't remember. I'll check that one. And there you go. I'll look round here. Nice graphics. Remember the price, and it's 12,213 cheaper. Right, where does it say anything about heating there? There you go. Oh no, sorry, it's the Truma gas. Sorry. Okay, right. Hey, whilst I'm here, I just want to show you this, because this thing here, par contre, that's French, is brilliant. This is amazing. For the reason I think it's amazing, first of all, it's this fantastic tent in the roof. Now I know I don't like tents in the roof as a rule, but I'm now going to change my mind, because this has got this X-glue material used in the Heimer Venture S, used in the Boston Gallery, and now it's in a camper van costing 90,000 euros, and that I think is the future. This stuff here, it's filled with air. It pumps itself up via a switch. You can even pump it up by hand in no time at all. If it gets, it's not as delicate as you might think. I mean, you can puncture, of course, but there's a puncture kit that comes with it, and if it does puncture in one place, that doesn't stop the thing inflating anyway. It's got a double membrane to it. I'm pretty enthusiastic about that. And if that wasn't enough, also at the rear here, it comes with this clever slide out unit for the entire floor. This whole thing here will slide out. Oh, sorry, I'm going to need two hands to do this. But this part here slides out. Bed moves up and down. So that's not new. Lots of companies doing that. But in this case, with this unit here, it is very interesting camper van, in my opinion, even if it isn't Adria. I'll even show you from inside, seeing as I'm being so effluent about it. Twin Sport 640, 636 centimeters in length. There's the bed up there. But the bed, of course, will go down. But even so, I think you'd even just about manage, depending on how claustrophobic you are, in that space, if you had to. So I think this has my seal of approval. This one here. I'll give it, seeing as I've been so enthusiastic. Look, this is the. Yeah. I think really good. Also, there's a mattress also fit. If I can get up. That was daft. I didn't check to see if the ladder had been secured. Sorry, it doesn't have the mattress from X-Glue. It does a standard mattress, but you can now get a mattress from X-Glue. It's the one they've got in the Venture S, but they even are doing a separate mattress using this material as well. Very good. Just broken Health and Safety Act. I shouldn't have, should have actually checked that was secured before going over it. But anyway, it didn't go very far. Good, right, there you go. There is this vehicle here, which is the Twin Edition 600 SPB. Costs 80,000 euros. It's got a fantastic skylight window at the top. The rest of it, well, as you can tell, I wasn't that impressed. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I give unbiased reviews 21:15 every day. See ya.